Welcome back to another episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we talk about how manufacturing consultant finds alignment with MRP software, a successful two-person software consultancy business. Move to Cloud is a boutique consultancy firm that helps small and medium-sized manufacturers adopt software solutions to simplify and optimize their operations. The company is founded and led by Patrick J. Verryn, a man with a unique mix of accounting expertise, IT management experience, and executive coaching. Patrick has built a reputation as a trusted advisor for companies on the verge of embracing digital transformation or switching vendors. Patrick's career began in tax consulting as a chartered accountant before transitioning into practice management roles. Over the years, he discovered a passion for technology, gradually leading him to pivot toward IT roles. As a practice manager at an Australian accounting firm, he successfully introduced and trained employees on the Xero accounting platform and its ecosystem. This experience laid the foundation for going solo and founding Move to Cloud. Patrick works alongside his wife, who brings her IT background to the table as a project manager and advisor. Together, they form a dynamic and highly effective team, offering personalized guidance to manufacturers who need clarity and structure in navigating the diverse landscape of modern business software. SME-oriented MRPeasy became the go-to solution. Patrick works with companies from many industries, but one of his main focuses is manufacturing. In this category, he primarily only recommends one vendor, MRPeasy. Manufacturing software requires real expertise, he notes. MRPeasy resonates with me. It's purpose-built for manufacturing and does exactly what it says on the box. Patrick's journey with MRPeasy began 6 years ago when he first noticed it on the Xero App Store. At the time, he was helping clients explore alternatives to spreadsheets and manual workflows, but found that options for small manufacturers were limited. MRPeasy stood out as a lightweight yet robust solution specifically designed to handle production planning, inventory management, and accounting integrations for SMEs. Patrick joined the first wave of certified consultants with MRPeasy. There were certain growing pains as the software platform matured. However, thanks to improved partner resources, consultant support, and access to expertise, MRPeasy became a core part of Patrick's consulting toolkit. MRPeasy also proved to be a lucrative business opportunity for Patrick. Leads from the MRPeasy website started bringing in a steady stream of inquiries, justifying a long-term commitment. I've found time and again that many small manufacturers need exactly what MRPeasy offers: simplicity, precision, and scalability at a reasonable price point, says Patrick, having successfully aided the cloud-based software's implementation in over 20 manufacturing and distribution businesses to date. Clients often struggle with constructing bills of materials. Patrick's clients come from various industries, including nutritional supplements, electronics, food packaging, and solar panel manufacturing. While the sectors vary, the clients' pain points are often similar. Businesses mostly come to Patrick struggling with spreadsheets, outdated processes, or other systems that don't fit their manufacturing workflows or scaling ambitions. Many have already tried MRPeasy but get stuck, most commonly when setting up the bills of materials functionality. The bills of materials setup is where clients often hit their first wall, Patrick explains. And if they manage to get past that and start seeing the potential of the software, they often find the manufacturing screen overwhelming. There's a learning curve, particularly for companies new to manufacturing software. That's where I come in. Patrick starts each project with a free 30-minute consultation to uncover the client's needs and determine whether MRPeasy is the right fit. From there, his approach is methodical and collaborative. He creates a detailed project plan, identifies critical processes, and focuses on solving immediate pain points rather than overwhelming clients with unnecessary complexity. The cornerstone of Patrick's work is creating a test environment. He uses the client's actual data, focusing on a few sample products, to demonstrate how MRPeasy can solve their specific challenges. Getting clients comfortable with the software is key, Patrick says. It's about training, educating, and simplifying the process. Once they see the results, they're ready to take the next step. To further ease the learning curve, Patrick creates short custom training videos he calls Tiny Takes. While MRPeasy has many how-to videos on its website, Patrick uses the client's own implementation process and data as a reference, boosting the training potential and helping employees get up to speed. Tangible benefits for both manufacturers and consultants. For Patrick's clients, MRPeasy consistently delivers. At its core, the software excels in areas where small manufacturers tend to need the most help: managing inventory, streamlining production workflows, and integrating seamlessly with accounting and e-commerce apps. MRPeasy further gives businesses real-time visibility into their stock levels, orders, and costs, while eliminating manual errors and providing seamless data sharing between departments. From Patrick's perspective as a consultant, MRPeasy's main strengths lie in its reliability and purpose-built design. Most other offerings have grown from an inventory management system and found a need to add some manufacturing functionality as a bolt-on. They'd focus on things like Amazon or 3PL app integrations. MRPeasy, on the other hand, was made for manufacturing. That is its core strength. It's purpose-built for production management. It also has practically no issues with downtime or bugs. Patrick measures success by the smoothness with which his clients transition to MRPeasy. If I get just one follow-up email asking a specific question a month after going live, that's a success, he says. It means they're not struggling, they're thriving. The financial benefits are equally clear. Patrick's implementations typically take around a month to complete, with costs ranging from around 2,500 to 30,000 Australian dollars, depending on project complexity and company size. Many clients immediately see ROI as they gain control over their processes and reduce inefficiencies. Patrick continues to advocate for MRPeasy, and his confidence in the platform remains steady. MRPeasy gives me peace of mind simply because it works. It's reliable, accurate, and purpose-built for manufacturing. My clients trust it, and so do I. That wraps up this episode of the MRPeasy Manufacturing Podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.